mental health. Many people asking what can and will be done about the growing problem in our country, specifically with our kids. Just in time, researchers here in Arkansas have brand new data add to the mix. THV11's Mercedes McKay has details on what it says.
After working on this project for 18 years, researchers found that kids with mental health problems have a harder time keeping a job as an adult. It's findings that one of the researchers here at UAMS tells me they weren't shocked by.
We didn't find things that we didn't expect to find, but we didn't expect to find as significant findings as we did.
Ben Amick has spent a lot of time studying mental health issues and the impact on our society.
There's always going to be a stigma with mental health, unfortunately. It's just the nature of the game.
But one of the studies he was most recently a part of could be a game changer.
We actually know how to solve these problems. We just have to commit and do it.
As an associate dean of research at UAMS, Amick worked with a research group in the Netherlands and studied 1,200 people from ages 11 to 29 who had mental health issues. They focused on how early life experiences impacted their work experiences.
This was really the first study that looked at this issue of mental health and work role functioning.
After assessing the child's mental health from 2011 and then following them as they entered the workforce, the team of researchers found that those who really struggled with mental health at a young age had trouble meeting the demands of their job about 30% of the time.
If you think of a work week, that's a day and a half every week that you as a person are saying you have trouble meeting the demands of the job.
This is why Amick believes services for kids needs to be more accessible and available.
We've got to get our handles on this now and start worrying about it.
At the end of the day, Amick says the study shows what they've always known. Mental health is a major problem that can lead to consequences later in life.
It really isn't, Mercedes, that complicated in my book. It's a resource issue.
In Little Rock, Mercedes McKay, THV 11 News.
Mercedes, thank you. The study also showed that children who struggle with mental health also struggle academically. That's why Amick believes the state needs to build more mental health resources into schools.